camper truck. Show you guys how I load this sucker. All right, well that worked out pretty awesome. My neighbor seen me struggling. Came over and gave me a hand, a lot easier. Guys, what's going on? Thank you for joining me today. It is about 6:57 a.m. It says it's 102 outside. I believe it's supposed to be a really hot weekend here in Vegas. So me and the boy were rolling out. So you see me loaded up the camper. So that's all up in there, all secure. I got all my gear loaded. And I just got to run up, pick up some ice. And they were all out of roast beef the other day. So I'm going to see if I can get that. And we're going to hit the road, head out. So we're going to a place called Pine Valley. I think it's called Pine Valley National Forest. It's right outside of St. George, Utah, and it's gonna be awesome. So I guess it gets up to like, I don't know, maybe upper 80s, and then it cools off at night is what I hear. So hopefully there's not a heat wave going on out there, and we'll be just fine. So I wanted to bring you along. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit because on my past couple camping videos, I wasn't actually able to make a really kind of good video. Part of the reason is because I got my 4-year-old, and he's going all day. You know, I can't take my eyes off him for 2 seconds. So it makes it kind of hard to get all the gear and do some recording and all that stuff. So on this trip, I'm going to try to make a better video for you, show you around. We'll go take some walks and look at things and do some fun stuff. And then for dinner, I'm cooking up some Philly cheesesteaks. And then for breakfast, probably just do a nice breakfast sandwich with the leftover vegetables. So it's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna swing up here, grab some gas, and we're gonna hit the road. All right, so we got here, and really awesome spot. There was only 2 spots left in this campground, so 2 and 5, and then we got 5. I asked the boy, and he said 5, but it's cool. It's right across the street from the little restroom there, and we got a nice table and a area to put the camp stove if I don't want to use my table, which is kind of cool. And then this would be, so all these are tent sites in this campground. It's called Ebenezer. And look at that. It's up where you can smell I can smell the trees. It smells really good. So this is what's all around me. Pretty cool. So this is a campsite, tent site only, like I said. So they let me go because I got the little camper, baby. Hopefully I'm kind of level there. I might have to back up on that parking curb if I'm not. What? I'll get it for you, hold on. But yeah, so it's a pretty cool area. I can put my chairs here, it's nice and shaded. And maybe even bring my table over here, do some cooking and stuff. So that's pretty nice. So I'm not tenting it, so it don't really matter. But yeah, really awesome. Short drive from Vegas too, so this summer I'm just going to be checking out all kinds of places. But yeah, you can't beat it. I mean, I think I'm glad I got here when I did, because every single spot was full except for 2 right here. And as soon as I did the loop to see what spots were available, I was following the lady. Somebody else pulled in, so they got spot 2 down there, and we ended up with spot 5, which I think is pretty cool because I'm kind of pretty good distance away from people. So there's some of them that are kind of close, and I just wanted to be quiet, you know. But we can do fires. They sell firewood, but I really didn't bring anything where, you know, s'mores or anything. So I think we're just gonna camp out. I don't think we're gonna need a fire because it's pretty warm. It's, I don't know, it's in the 90s probably, upper 80s. And hopefully it gets nice and cool tonight. And so we're gonna go for a walk in a little while. There's a nice little creek that we get to walk next to. So we'll go check that out. All right, so me and Dano, we're back to the campsite. So it was pretty cool. So we, so there is a like a creek, I guess, yeah, a little creek that runs like the whole way down, and it runs beside like all the different campsites. And so it's just a short walk down to, it's like a paved walkway, really cool. And then there's little areas where you can, there's little bridges, and then there's little areas, almost like little beachy type areas. And so we went down, and Dan got in and got all his clothes wet and had a good time. What are you gonna do? You gonna shoot your guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the bad guys right here. So Dan's gonna take them out. Okay. Show them how you do it.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, buddy. Get him with another one. Black Panther.
So rainbow bad guy, so my Batman, so my rainbow, so my Spider-Man, so my...
Is that the tree man?
No, so my gummy bear.
Is it a gummy bear?
Yeah, that gummy bear.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
I gotta see that.
Get him.
Gummy down, gummy bear down.
Oh!
Yes! So that now.
All right. What kind of mud pie is this, partner?
Oh, that's little cake.
What do you call it?
Maybe cake.
A cake?
Yeah,
A mud cake?
more
Mud cake, huh? That's delicious. Oh, you got some twigs in there? All right. Yeah, maybe we'll get some ants up in there.
cake.
Makes for a,
I don't
that
like
makes for a delicious meal there, eh? He's in there taking a nap, so he's taking his afternoon nap. So he'll be out for a little while, and then he'll be running wild about bedtime. We'll have to go take another walk or something, but anyways, so he's in there, so it's cool. I can just shut it. All the windows are open. There's a little breeze in there, and I don't have to worry about him because he can get out if he wants to, but I'll hear the door at least, you know, so he ain't gonna go wandering off. And right now I'm cooking up some green pepper and bell pepper, green pepper, and some mushrooms and onion. I'm getting ready to make some Philly cheesesteaks tonight. So I got that rolling. I'm gonna let that chill out for a little while. Probably throw a little bit of, maybe just a tiny bit more oil on it. Just you gotta keep it lubed up, you know what I'm saying? I wanna let it go dry. And then I got some roast beef, some provolone. We're gonna make it happen, and then in the morning we're gonna have some badass breakfast sandwiches, I can tell you that much. I can't wait, so I'm gonna let this stuff kick back for a little while. Hail to the yeah. Take a look at that, man. If you could smell that right now, with the mushrooms and onions, oh baby. Let that ride and get all nice and soft. And then I got some roast beef. So this basic recipe here, see, can you see me? I don't know if you can see me or not, but anyways, so this recipe here, I found this new channel on YouTube, and this dude goes around camping. Like, he just camps in weird spots. Like one time he camped in like a freeway median and some other stuff. Anyway, so I saw one time he made this. He had probably some better rolls, but I love these rolls that I got. They're super soft, but I'm gonna have to find the name of his channel. But anyways, so heads up, thumbs up to him. Let me get things a little cheesy here. Damn, that was good. Alright guys, I'm gonna point you over there because I think some birds, some big black birds, are over there playing around or fighting or something, but they're talking to each other. What you got? sticks? Come on, let's keep going. Man, a little after dinner walk. Boy took a nap, ate some dinner. He actually ate dinner this time. And guess what I cooked was pretty good. So we're just walking next to the creek there. So just curious to see how far it goes and to burn him out so that he'll go to sleep sometime tonight. All right, let's go check it out, buddy. What do you think of this? Is it cool?
Getting my way out of the water.
Yeah, don't fall. This is what I get to sleep, fall asleep with sound tonight. It'll be awesome. Like if you couldn't just plop a chair here and just kick back and listen to this water, I don't know, but anyways, I see fish swimming around in there. So we're playing car rescue here. He's throwing them in and then he's getting going to get them. But yeah, so this is it right here. This is the sound I'm gonna be hearing tonight, because if you look right over here, bang, baby. All right, guys, firing off a walk this morning. Get some coffee in. Take a little walk so I don't feel so lazy. Just enjoy it. I mean, wake up around big old pine trees and beautiful weather. I'm in like shorts and a t-shirt right now, so it's pretty awesome actually. Didn't even really get that cold. I mean, it's cool. It's like just on the verge of maybe throwing a hoodie on, but hell yeah. It's big, beautiful mountains. So I noticed yesterday there was some big giant cow patties over by the river, and looks like we got some cows out there doing some cow things, eating, probably taking a big old dump over by the river, stream, creek, whatever. Now I don't know about you, but this is what I call just a beautiful morning. If I could wake up every morning with this view, the sun shining through the trees, I'd take it every day of the week. Yeah, look at them, look all of them. Tell me if it's cold. Tell me if it's cold. Well, I'm saying goodbye to my spot. It was a good spot. It's an awesome spot, so we're just doing a final walk around, make sure we didn't forget anything. Dano, you ready to go, buddy? Ready to go take a big nap in the car? All right, guys, we're wrapping up an awesome trip. So got packed up, did a little walk this morning, and we're hitting the road. So heading home, probably be home in a couple, 2.5, 3 hours. And it was awesome. So, you know, no matter how bad your week is, getting just a night out in the forest or wherever, just somewhere where it's quiet. Last night I fell asleep listening to the stream, creek, whatever, and it was super awesome. So thank you guys for joining me. If you guys have any questions, please put them down there in the comment section, and I appreciate it. Thanks for rolling with me. You guys have a great one. See you on the next one.